Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Kind of an unbagging here. We're checking out the JTHXQ barbecue grill gloves, and I guess they pretty much like cut proof as well. So what this is, a couple of nice little mitts here. They got silicone gripping here, kind of an extra long cuff. I got decent sized hands, so let's see if these fit or not. So yeah, pretty comfortable right there, and actually look kind of like a superhero glove. Pretty cool. But anyways, so these are both the same on either side. So one, you can put your left hand or right hand in either one, and it's all the same. Pretty nice little design. It looks cool. Definitely give you some grip with these silicone beads on here, or whatever, lines of silicone. So give you a good grip for grabbing things if you got a pan or something like that, and actually a little bit of some padding there as well. So these are actually pretty comfortable and should be fairly easy to get on and off. These offer cut resistance as well as heat. It says heat up to 1400 degrees, which is pretty dang hot. I'm not sure how hot silicone gets before it melts, but I know you can put them in, you can cook stuff in silicone. So I'll be doing a review video on these shortly, checking out their heat resistance as well as cut resistance. And right now, all I could say is that they're comfortable and they seem like they're pretty well made here. I don't see like any loose strings falling off or anything like that, and they're really got a nice little grip on them. So these run about $13 on Amazon. You can check them out there. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to see them. And when I finish the product review video, I'll put that in the description below as well. I'll be testing these things out. So they also have a nice little clip here. Not a clip, but a little tag. So if you wanted to hang them up somewhere, you can do that if you had a hook somewhere near your stove or wherever. So pretty nice looking little gloves here. That's about it for this unboxing video, my friends. I'll be doing a review as soon as I can, and we'll see you then. Thanks for watching.